wish you knew me better, but you really don't. And it's like every time I get up, I'm just trying to cope. I gotta roll another L up, boy, you trying to smoke? Alright, then I'ma
Hey guys, and welcome to TimewithTemi, where every week you get to spend a little bit of time with me in the minutes that is my brain. So today how do I even describe what I'm doing today? Today's video was suggested by Abby, and we thank her for that because I was having a creative block, so you were not going to get a video next week if Abby didn't suggest this to me. And it's this thing that is going around on TikTok called the school... I'm too old to be know what's going on TikTok, and I'm going to have to go back to the chat. It's the Picture Day 90s edition thing. It's where someone will dress up in different sort of genres of outfits to show like what Picture Day would be like in the 90s, if you were a jock, if you were the popular girl, if you were the nerd, so on and so forth. And I thought that was really cool, but something that really pissed me off about this whole thing is that everyone just seemingly had a school Picture Day backdrop, and I don't have that. So I was like, I need to be able to make my own backdrop somehow, and there's no way for me to, like, how am I supposed to do that? I don't know how I was supposed to do that. But then about a year ago, I think, right at our lockdown anniversary, Alissa actually came up with a video where she made her own DIY photo booth, which was inspired by all of those TRL pictures, and I have those floating about somewhere here so you can see them. And I always wanted to do this, and I think this just gave me the opportunity to be able to try something new, try my own DIY sort of photo booth thing. So I want to merge together those two ideas of the Picture Day 90s edition and making my own DIY photo booth, and I want to take you through that whole process. But before we get into this video, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell notification so you know every single time I post. So let's start with the backdrop. It's not even the main part. That is one of the two main areas for me that I think will make or break how these pictures and how these videos go. Now, in the one that Alissa did with the TRL backdrops, it was like a white background and they'd spray painted all of these different bright colors onto it and then made it into this little photo booth that I guess all the celebrities and the singers and stuff would go and take their pictures in before they did their interview. I wasn't really around for TRL, but I'm still a 90s babe. And I really liked that, but I've also recently, I like the color brown, and I like all the different shades to brown and all the different hues because, girl, what can I say? If there's one thing that I love doing, it's getting inspiration from black content creators that are thriving on the platform. So my aim is to go out and try and find nude spray paint colors, which kind of seems unrealistic. But I'm gonna go out and I'm gonna look and I'm gonna try. Okay, I'm in Loco's. I'm gonna search for spray paint. I googled it before I left. I said Loco's or Homebase, and I'm looking and I don't think they have spray paint. And Homebase is like a 13-minute walk. Oh gosh, my hair, help me Jesus. Okay, they have it, just not a lot. And not the colours. Oh my god, £13. Okay. Metal paint. I'm out of breath and there aren't that many stairs. Oh. There are not a lot of options here. But maybe I can get like cardboard here because I need cardboard as well. Oh my god. It don't move. It don't. Okay, I found some stuff. I think. Okay, I found some stuff and they're 5 feet. I love that. This makes me really happy because I've been like, fuck. Sorry, I shouldn't swear. I was really concerned about the options I would get. There are too many options now. I found somewhere to drop you. Great. I don't know how people go out and do vlogs just like in person because I'm cringing, but I'm glad I did a couple of laps, otherwise I was literally about to leave. If I didn't go around the corner, I wouldn't have found anything. I found some spray paints. I know I said I wanted some browns, but these are all within this sort of yellowy shade. So this will work for me, I think. I just need like a big piece of cardboard. So as we know, it wasn't unsuccessful. I'm not gonna claim that over this whole process. I didn't get the colors that I wanted, but I did get the vibe of what I wanted, because if I've said it once, I've said it 1,000 times. I like to play with tones, I like to play with shades, I like to play with hues, and that's what I'm doing. I have a white one, an orange one, and a yellow one, and when you see them all together, I think it played like a really nice, it painted a nice little picture. And then I decided that I was gonna be a vandal today. I was gonna do some graffiti. So I went outside for like 20 minutes in the cold. I don't know why I sat on the floor, but I sat, and I had this giant cardboard box that I got from Homebase, and I just cut one of the sides open so it can create the illusion of like the booth around me, and then spray painted it, got it all together. Do you know, it's crazy to me that I wasn't encouraged to do art GCSE, because this is a masterpiece. It's off to the side here, but this is a masterpiece, and I'm really excited to see how the pictures turn out. And okay, so you've seen that whole process, we've set it all up, and now it's time for the picture. This is when the 90s picture day edit comes in. So I hope you enjoy the pictures. I hope they turn out well. Watching Alissa's video, she gave some tips and some pointers on how she set up the shoot. I am not a professional like she is. I don't have the setup that she has, but I think I can make it work so that I can make it look all nice. So wish me luck as I set that all up, and I'll show you how I set it up as well. Mine wasn't as big as hers, and I couldn't find, there's nowhere in the UK where you can get just big pieces of cardboard for no reason. It doesn't exist. So I did what I could. It's a miniature version, and I'm not mad at it, and I'm hoping I can hang it up on this thing and then sit. Look, I'm gonna show you how I get it all together, and then hopefully it comes out nice and you enjoy it. I'm excited. But anyways guys, that is all that I have for you today. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up so I know that I'm making content that you enjoy. I personally really enjoyed myself. As I always say, if you have any other out-home photo shoot ideas that I can do, please let me know. It's always fun and it's nice to challenge myself. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe, and share this with all of your friends so that they can enjoy the Time with Temi family. All of my social media links will be in the description box below, so you can follow there to see all of the looks I did and some more. I enjoyed the time we've got to spend with you. I hope you enjoyed the time you've got to spend with me, and I'll see you next time. Bye!